Windows 11 sound problem. I will show you how to fix this problem. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see that in Windows 11 I can't move my sound bar. In order to solve this problem, you have to download software given in description. Its name is Max HD Audio Drivers. After downloading this software you have to install it. If this video helps you fix your problem, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. As installation is complete, now you can see that I can move my sound bar. This problem is fixed now. I hope this video will help you. If you have any problem regarding computer or any other thing, you can ask me. I will try to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.